also got another surprise.
How does this thing go in?
It's like you're hang up that phone.
What happened?
How you lock it in?
Drop it even lower.
Can Daddy finish working, please? What do you mean, no?
I can't really go very far. I don't want to break Mario's picture.
That's right, break it. It's not.
Yeah. Or you just take it off.
Take it off?
Yeah.
I still can't really go very far, but...
So take the big bar off.
The big bar.
Big guy. Big guy.
I hate that
Big
fucking
guy.
Out of my way.
people.
No beef.
Why not?
This bitch is fucking bad.
Hey, this will be the video that blows up. Like, this motherfucker doesn't know what the fuck.
Dude.
What happened? Stuck on there?
Look at how it's bending.
That motherfucker is on
I'm
there.
low-key kind of scared. We might need one more.
One more what? One more thing?
Yeah. Well, I mean, honestly, it won't go anywhere unless this rod snaps.
Aim it at me.
Look how stripped that bitch is.
It's because that bitch fucking bent on that side.
Black Jesse the Savage.
Oh, that's my good dude.
Fuck that. You gonna put me through the house and shit?
Well, I ain't gonna lie, we might need another one because that bitch is bent. You don't want those, they're bad.
What?
Oh, come back.
I don't want
Are you
what?
trying to put it on there, right?
Not really, but.
What is
Put it in the hole.
Where's the this?
No, I'm going.
Where you going? What you need help with?
Trying to get this bitch.
Hold on, let me hold it.
You picked that up.
This is not mine. It's my
Hey man,
dad.
brought to you by 1313 Empire.
Where?
This
You
dude.
took your shirt off?
Come join us, the Blank team today.
Then who took it off?
This is this guy. Put all that shit back together and that's how go anywhere. Did you charge it in the house?
I did, but I brought it back out. You need help?
Where'd you get that from?
On the floor.
What the fuck? Bless you.
So what's this one from?
This one right here. Soy bar link.
Oh, okay. We not slave owners here, bro. You can eat.
You hear him? God damn.
He is hangry, ain't
Before
it?
you get to the next
He's hangry.
Papa, you want me to feed you?
It's like, no, I haven't fucking eaten. Black ass bitch. Oh damn, bro.
Dude, I'll say that.
I know you would. I heard you say it on Arc Raiders.
That's crazy because I did not.
Hey,
say that.
hey, yeah, hey, I swear to God, we was on Arc Raiders on Stella Montes, bro. Hey, we was on Stella Montes, and he was like, please don't revive me, don't kill me. And dude knocked him out. As soon as he started cracking his knuckles, he was like, fucking black motherfucker.
Dude, I did not say that. Wow.
He definitely said that.
Hey.
So we collectively as a team, put this first spring up. Yeah, tell Michael to come over. Tell him don't step.
Michael.
Hey, tell him don't step on my deck though.
Damn.
Tell him the deck is off limits.
Go do the other side. He broke it.
Hell yeah, he the one. Call 1-800 Deck Destroyer.
Washing the cow.
These big ass fucking pants on.
Them joints is kind of beefy.
I'm gonna be
Fuck it, Jesse, bro. What you doing in here, little girl?
recording me?
What you doing there? You are so silly.
What are you recording me for?
Cause you all up in my video. So we got this part on. We got the first one on. He's gonna jump over to the second side.
Who are you talking to?
I'm making a video, and then we're gonna do the rears. The rears are very easy. But after that, we can start spraying this joint with the primer. And I can't wait. Did you eat already?
Yeah, he just chopped that shit down quick.
He
You
swallowed.
want to run it? I was about to say.
We already got.
Look.
We got the front lower. Oh my god, bro, this shit look crazy.
That shit cold.
Who's that? AP? AP who?
Don't hit me up. I ain't lowering no one else's car.
Yes, you is, bro.
Come on, bro.
Look, whenever you need a cheap ass rattle can paint job, bro, head to Los Santos Customs. I got you. Damn, I mean, like you can just see the difference though. Like,
Bro, like literally, you can see how low the front is from the back.
Tires fall off.
Oh my god, why would you? You need to tighten them. I know none of you motherfuckers tighten.
no, we definitely did.
Okay, then it gets fucking bumping loud as fuck. But I fucking taking the parts everything.
Oh my god, we're making history here.
Oh my god!
I'm not looking at your butt, gang.
I'm finna say you right behind
Ruben
me.
finally has a tool in his hand.
Maya, I know you're not talking. I know you're not talking. I used to do real honest work.
No. I'm trying to think about how to do this.
What do you mean?
How are we gonna do this?
Just do it the same way you did the front.
It's not anywhere close to the same way. Alright, let's go to YouTube. I know how to do YouTube videos, but if I drop the back, how am I gonna jack it back up is the question.
Bruh. What? It's 4:15, isn't it?
Yeah. Why? What's that 415?
Bro, literally, I put this alarm on to wake me up because I was tired as fuck to do spelling words with Myra. I put this alarm on like fucking 6 months ago. Never took it off.
Nice.
Never took it off.
Crazy story.
I feel that for real though.
This motherfucker said crazy story.
This is Jesse's.
Give me some tools. I need to figure this out.
What are we thinking? Brick.
Yeah, but I can't. Let me grab a break.
All white brick. You know where to put it, Ruben?
Nope.
Jack it up.
This little ball right there.
There you go.
Oh, hey.
Does it work?
Wait, Ruben, you gonna need this?
Huh?
You gonna need that?
You gonna have to put this on top of there.
Like that?
Right in the middle. Yeah.
You're not. You're on top of it over there.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Very conventional.
Right there? Alright, what am I pushing in?
Push down.
Push down?
Last one, man. Last one, man. There we go. No, absolutely. Oh, shit, right there. Whatever you're at, right there. Stay.
That's the spot.
That's the G spot. We gonna leave it just like that. We ain't gonna touch that.
Let me daddy do this.
Oh yeah, go ahead, do your thing, then, my bad, big dad.
Feel like you're speaking Chinese.
Most of the time she is.
You need help there, little buddy? Whoa! Dude, you almost grabbed it for real.
I know. I didn't think I hung that low.
It does.
You must be part Chinese.
Let me see like a turtle.
What the fuck is that supposed to
That
be?
was crazy.
Yeah, it's the last one.
We all fight our own battles. That's all it is.
Alright.
I'm not little, bro. So, my sister is like friends with almost all of Jesse's exes. And they all.
What did you say?
They
Hey, big guy.
Hey, you just made him drop the tire.
That is so fucked up.
That is crazy.
That's crazy. He said, I'm not worried about him. I'm worried about her. That's crazy. I was not expecting that. I was just gonna say him. Ruben already knows.
You still big for it though.
Man, we have known each other for what, 6 years?
6 years now.
Yeah,
6 years. We almost died together a couple times.
We did. You remember when we were going into the paintball and that car spun out in front of us? You like,
yeah.
oh shit!
Yeah, bro, I forgot all about that
His
shit.
Fans, dude.
Damn, I forgot all about that shit. That was crazy.
That was crazy though, for real. Oh, I remember one.
Drill Sergeant?
Hey, y'all see the red joints? Y'all see the red joints, man?
Dude, Mario just tightened these in a circle.
No, I didn't.
He did not do the star pattern.
I definitely just did the
You
start.
did both sides already?
Yep.
Yeah. in a
Oh,
circle.
grab them jacks.
You a fucking liar.
Hold on.
Here we go. It's the
Here we
reveal,
go.
my boy.
Here
Let
we
me
go.
see.
Reveal.
Let me see.
Take out your mirror.
What?
Oh, the bricks.
The all white bricks? Here we go.
How's it look?
That's the old. Hey, hell no!
All thanks to Black Jesse, man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, you gonna have to suck my boy off a little bit, know what I'm saying?
Hey, Jesse, sit in the back. Let's see how low it goes.
Damn.
What? You
Damn.
know what? When he lowered, what car was that? I want to say it was the truck. He had Monica and Joey sit in the back just to see.
For
He
real?
did. He thinks that, yeah, he did.
For real?
Bro, that's like what? 1,000 pounds?
It's crazy.
Hey,